nice, isn't it? Boy, nice as fuck. You want a nice boy. Nice boy. Right? Boy, nice. So when I deal with it ready for blood clot, big clash or what? Boy, nice man. Good looking boy. Yes. Not my thing, sir. Yeah. That's right. That's not what you think. I'm frozen. What I deal with? Cook a meal, man. Jesus Christ. Camille. Boy, girl. Mommy. Hello, my mother. What going? So now, so Washington, D.C., how you go? Ready for you done or what? Not true, man. I am not done in anybody. If you come for me, I come for you. You see me? Hey, move your bum. Hey, go sit down. I never say it. Favor my wife? Thanks. Me have to favor somebody. Jaja, so you deal with? Oh no, pretty she now. What I deal with? Not true, man. We have to try a thing, right? Chrome, I try. So what I deal with? We're not ready for the clash because Washington D.C. are up there. We are coming now. Come deal with it cool, you know, right? Do I'm gonna walk on it done lighter, you see it? Yes! What the? How that? Wait, so I look good, thank you, you know. Because I remember when I disgrace me, pussy one. I always, yo, watch out. I see them boy this. Take off your locks. Take off your bleaching cream. Take off your clothes. Take off your chain and the jewelry them. Ferragamo belt and Gucci slipper. Take off all of that. I see him nasty than that. The Jankro. I am that. Yeah, yeah. So, hey. Right? Right? Yeah, daddy. Yeah, yeah. I see him somebody. The ugly fucker. I know I never fix the teeth them yet. I'm a cute so. 4 teeth then it fix you now. Wait, pussy. When I say 40 you know, we just so surprised you know. 39 too much. You see me 39 too much pussy. You see it? Yes people. Yeah. Oh, that ugly blood clot somebody here. All pussy. Oh, wait. If you want bullfrog, wait. What? I want man. What? Howard. Howard then. Howard. Go Howard then underneath your suckered mother dog. Pussy. You know what I call response me or what? Pussy. Alright. You don't respond to what me a bumbleclot is. I can call myself any fucking thing I want. Tap me. Tap me. Come over here, contact me. Boy, I'm a boy, I'm a boy, I'm a boy. Contact me. I'm a boy, I'm a boy, I'm a boy. Contact me. Thinking mode. Contact me. Come now. Howard then. Go and go Howard then up in your bum. Go and go plaka. Go and go itsy bitsy spider up in your bumbleclot mother. Go and go into the business by the under your mama man and don't come over here so I do what I want. Tap me. Oh, are then. Don't come back for me. Oh, are me live. Ever. Pussy. What the bomb clad you come over my place? Come tell me how to behave. Don't play your fucking self. You are a boy. Well, okay, Roy. I don't give a fuck, you what. Pussy. Keep that. Me or whatever the bumbo clap me tell you say I am. pussy hole. I am Sam. You are Roy. Me is, see the for me? Tell me some me and Sam. Samantha, the shortening feet. Sam, tell me some me and I'm picking me a bumbo clad face. You are Roy. I am Sam. You can't tell me some me and Sam. You favor one bumbo, you favor one bullfrog in her glasses. You look like the little green bullfrog where in a cartoon them when we look up in the him. That the frog there you favor. What the blood clot here, bad man? In this life where we are live, we can be whatever the fuck we want plus a Halloween. Brother, a Halloween, I can be whatever Freddy. Blood clot Chucky. The bride. You hear that? Jeepers creepers. I can be whatever the fuck I want to be right now. This is Halloween. I can be a boy, girl, pitney, sibling. I can be any fucking thing I want to be. Shit fit. Tap me from being it, no? Come tap me from being what I'm being right now. Tap me. That's up on my shoulder. Hey, tap. No! It's Halloween. I can do whatever I feel like. For me, Halloween every day for the year. Right now, I am doing pussy hole. You can't tell me nothing. This is America. This is not the land of wood and water. You saw no policy them. Good. I'm glad I reach here so we don't know. Yes, I'm more reach long time. This year, Bumbo hole is not the land, wood and blood clot water. Because even so great, don't know one about for visa for. Suck on the mother. Me say yes, the last them want to have done a hood and water, then apply up your so go suck out to no blood clot mother. Youth, boo, bitch, dog. I will tell you about your blood clot. You see down a hood and water, you see the home of the brave and the home of, yeah, them blood clot free boy. Up here so thinking mud. People free. If you do any bumbo clot thing them feel like. You see one day you catch me down at the land of hood and bumbo clot nata. You can't tell me what you are tell me. You don't tell me that up in the blood clot flag here. This flag. Wrong flag. Wrong flag. Watch you now pussy hole idiot yardy. Let me tell you something yardy. Me have a see a accent. You see down at the home of the wow, no matter. Out of many one people, and that going up here, sir. You see up here, sir, you can't do the bumbo clot if you tap beg visa. Don't beg no more blood clot visa for come a foreign. You know foot if you stay down there. You know see you have any bracelet, see him here. Thinking more foot, I can take off your bracelet off of your foot, Jankro. Remember some here got chrome same time. See me uncle? Oh, shit, pit. Look here. Let me show you a thing. Who down at Jamaica there? Who have people up here about to not beg barrel, who not beg visa. Turn down a hood and water. Turn down a bumbo clot hood and water. Because guess what? Who don't show the mentality who not got down there, you not go for operate up here, sir. Not yes, sir. Somewhere bumbo clot else. You footer. Let me tell you something, footer. That's why you can't get the green card. No. You see when you got caught, them are going to revoke it, bumbo clot. Them are going to tap up and dump for your file. Pussy hole. Remember some have a bumbo clot bracelet left body life alone. Yeah, body man? Every day on the get up, boy. Yeah, man. Who no know say Jamaica no roll, so how no roll? Beg visa pussy hole. How no roll? Suck out on the mother. How no roll? How no roll? Who no if you come up here, so can roll. How no if you roll and go suck out on the mother. You hear me? Why? You see one who no see me down a bumbo cloud out and water. Come chat to me. Suck out on the mother. You see what I say? Wrong place. Me married up here, so. The last time me go get one now, no look a dirty passport them down there. Fi identify myself a foreign. Big married fly me. Go put on married pound of blood clad paper on application. When you know hex you out. Una drag no penal boat in I. Kawa. Here what I say. In a Jamaica, you will never be married. Go suck out to no mother. So no one come up here for. Turn down there. Turn down a bumbo clot. That. You want me telling you why? Because who I work with, we not work with. We work with different things up here, sir. Pussy. You sit down at wood and water, who not work with, who not work with. Up here, sir. People I work with, them I work with. Freedom. Pussy wall. That's why you not get no visa. But blood clad, embassy wicked. Embassy wicked what? They know about you know. They here to know your fuck. You know see what makes some batty man a come a foreign can live. In a house for you, pussy. Yes, sir. The batty man them a ball out for asylum. And when me see asylum, me no mean no look a dirty club. We shut down. Bumbo clot asylum for live them batty life in peace. You see a Jamaica? Fool no look a dirty law them. No work up here, sir. Batty people, Muslim, Jerusalem, Christian, pussy clot, bomber man, everybody live as blood clot one because guess what now? This is the land of the brave and the home of the bumbo clot free. If you don't want free, don't come here. Eh? When the bumbo clot on the things that would have water down there go out with for now. Uno down there, every day. Bun body man, bun sodomite, kill them, murder them, rare. Uno down there can't get a visa. Uno say embassy wicked. Uno allow people to live their life? No. Uno think so. Uno down there go on with them, they sit there, uno nothing foreign here. The people don't want to come up here and fuck up their land no worse. They don't have Yankee them to deal with. They rather deal with the thief in bumbo clot, Yankee them down, because they can fuck up the people in place. Everything want to go out with down the America here. Every fucking thing. Everything want to go out with by the internet. Every gay bashing, all of the gay murder, every fucking thing. And when me got immigration, me know. And when me got blood clot immigration, me know they here to know. Worst thing, them put a foreigner, you know. Me say when that, you see if one gay somebody go in a one police station a foreign, and say one Jamaican go suck on them and them blood clot believe. Then dip on the blood clot same time. Them don't even have to go look for surveillance. They don't want to hear nothing. Then that's why you want Batman come say, you know what Jamaican did this to you gone on your bumbo clot yard because they know about you know. You see when me got immigration, they say, oh listen, we not the batty people. Because we know about the stinking Jamaican them. And them that one of the reasons them why we protect batty people when they come up here. Because you see, uno down at Jamaica, they know so uno kill batty people. So uno where kill batty people them, uno stay at Jamaica and not get no visa. Look at life. Look at life. When the immigrants they when immigration hear about uno, when uno go up a blood clot embassy, they don't ask uno. Me say uno feel like Uncle Sam don't know about no. That's why uno not get no blood clot visa. Uno go stay down at Jamaica rotten down so till because this is the home of the fucking brave and the home of the free. If you not plan to make people free, you have to turn down a hood and water, man. You make sure say hood and water put money in your blood clot pocket. You make sure say you not suffer down a bumbo clot hood and water debt. Me say, oi, every blood clot immigration know about you know. Every single fucking one. And them who not have got to get a visa to come up here, they know about you know. Me say as Batman and Sodomite got embassy then get it. Batman and Sodomite now have to talk 2 times to get visa down at that. The good on they go ball out. Scream out! Ball out! Who no see a man? And who no we go down there, yo? A 5 time me got embassy already. All no, they not go look for you. What the blood clot them go look for you for? For you come up in a people and place. Who no see one little batty man a walk with him man there, sir? He born no. He born no. Batty man fit dead in a blood clot. He give immigration and know about you know. One time they do Batman topic in the whole world for immigration. When people are ball out for asylum and they say, hey, do you feel ridiculed if you go back to your country? Are you going to get fucking tortured and beaten and killed? Yes! From when Batman say yes, then they give me same time. Go on, go through my friend. We know about the Jamaican them. Who not the head of the blood clot topic them for kill Batman and Saddam and down the ball out for visa every day. Taboo you so no bomb clot money. Me come for spread the news. Too no. So stop scatter on look up money and turn down a wood and water there. Wait now, you see, me glad you can't stand me for true. All out, somehow we are there Jamaica where they are foreign here. We don't know one bag of gay bashing on the internet. Oh, we don't like batty people. Go out in a real life, go see some foreign. Me want one to see me in a real life foreign and see so to me. Make a lock up your bumbleclad. One time me done drop a bumbleclad gun and call police, pussy hole you would have never, you would have. You think of Jamaica you there? I make your bumbleclad go jail so quick you piss your kin boy. Or dirty girl. Me say if you see me a bumbleclad for you can get bush and eat me on the internet all your blood clot one. See me in a blood clot real life foreign. I send you go Jamaica quicker than your blood clot come here. And one of the wickedest crime them you can do right now in a foreign thinking mouth yardy. You hear what me I tell you? I'm ready to sink your bumbleclad quick and fast. Me want you see me in the street and puff up your bumbleclad self. I don't want to war with you. I am a fucking fish. Me God. All me want to have for me side is me is a fish. Well, you look a yardy, don't like. You yardy, we always a threat if you kill me, don't like. You go to prison quick, you fuck. Come now. I beg your blood clot come. Touch me. I say, see me, I say something to blood clot me. I don't even want no war with you. This is spread here. Don't want no war with you. That's a drop a gun and ball. And take your license plate and send them for your blood clot. This is foreign. You can't get away with that. Me will make sure you can't get away. Win in a court and me sue your blood clot to and win. Cause me bomb up. You see the mermaid there have liar. Me liar big your fuck. That mermaid there where you see right as a fishling. Where you see boy. Me say right there so foreign. You can't be Jamaican or homophobic as much as your blood clot want. But bitch, see me in a real life and me know sink your blood clot right now. Me say that see you as a yardy whether me say in a Uda water do what you want to do. Cause you no value gay rights down there, so but me have rights here, so come now. Touch me. Touch me. Say sit where me not like. Say something where me not like. Gay bash me. I want to video your blood clot. Just say something. Say something, make a video for a head to blood clot to your license plate, every blood clot thing. And your job them a come pick you up. Eh? Me say, no, I don't me a talk all I know. You see, cause the whole of some blood clot homophobic because they beg for visa, they want to go up, they go ball and tell lie. You go up a blood clot embassy, go tell how much in lie. Borrow people money put in a bank book. So you no own land when you no own nothing. Forget visa for come out foreign. I want to come up here with the same look of attitude. How you lock up? I lock up on a bomber clot. Me say, yes, one time going in a police custody was not a good thing. You know what? It give me some information. Me say, oh, try me. I turn days loaf by your bomber clot. Me say, me? Try fucking me. You must think say upon fucking Instagram where you can make you look a comment and me block you. I some wicked jail time you look on. Me I make sure say I see one good 5 years. Cause me I'll put lick in it too. Me when them come they see bleach out face red. Me so come. Rascal. Yeah, said I might run up and down and go buy what you want. Free. You know the home of the brave. How the blood clot there. If you're not brave, you can't live a foreign. You better plan for beg people free. Yes, girl. Yeah. Advertisement go on the cover. No, stop it. Because I well want someone to do it out here. A long time. Hey, me a wait for the Jamaicans, you see? See me in the streets and try it. At the wrong streets. This foreign street at the wrong street for you try it, you know. You got jail, papa. And get your local green card revoke. You get your local prison time. You want to do that? Because you don't want people live their life. You want that for yourself. So at that, the system did that for you do. For only suck or than bad mind and hypocritical Jamaicans. Only dirty hypocrite blood clot Jamaicans, dirty people. Who need to wait until the law go lock up for 115 bomber clot here and dip on a blood clot for no allow people alone? Well, if we never get the memo, me dare to go to blood clot. Start with me. Start with blood clot. Me, I beg you to start with me. You see, because me just want to live my life in peace and not bother nobody. Just start with blood clot, me. I sew out your blood clot. When I done dip you to blood clot, I think I baptize me, I baptize, you know. Me ready. My arms up, me ready for no blood clot, all arms house. We all on our arms house. Down at Jamaica, one bag of blood clot, bag of shit. You no need to stop it. Because all one foot of shit, we have a big old anklet on your foot, but every day they on the internet with your gay bashing. Papa, immigration watch with you if you never know. I would mean immigration custody, then tell me, say, then go up on my channel and watch my vlogs. You hear what me I tell you, boy? Be careful. Careful that me I try to tell you. Careful for them baptize your blood clot. You someone no ever want come gay bash and this and that bash before you come a foreign come look some money and feed on a hungry family them. Who don't care about who for who that go in a blood clot, batty hole or who for pussy or rub and wish girl mouth. Who don't need to come make some money for no family them. Look how Jamaica suffer. And the time when they get up every day when they eat Batman and Sodomite when they do nothing. When they put a dollar down the pocket. You don't forget feed on the family them. So now we're not going to get locked up on the family then still have blood clot hungry. Because a foreign don't come for the war. You don't come for the fight of foreign. Hey, me not say we not lose the war of Jamaica in a fine. Me take it. Martel come back, finish me. Yeah, you done me. At Jamaica me lose the fight, but you can't win here, sir. I'm serious like a blood clot judge. You see, yes, sir? You can't win me. Enough of now call America batty country, but you not fight for staying there like you footer. Why you fight for stay here for? If this is such a batty country and everything was batty this, why you fight for stay here? Why you not go home? Why you have the bracelet on your foot? Why you not go home? This is a batty country, batty rights there, so. Why you fight for stay here, so? Why you not take off the anklet and go back down the wood and water? Why? The money not down the door. Down the broke door. Why you know the up your son and try to make some money every day on a gay bash? What not gay bash? What gay people do no? This is wrong, that the wrong on a broke. You don't know say the whole if you make some money the time on not do that a foreign on a there. On a this on a eat, Batman on a eat this on a eat. On make some money and feed on a blood clot family them. You as a big blood clot broke selector foreign you there upper Florida you say you're house selector now. You want 150 selector boy you know. Then book your 150 for the fucking night. And that you become. Gay bashing, what you do? You not do nothing for you, I see you living in a mansion. You not drive no Ferrari. Every time you pose, the people carry your pose pan. But every day you eat pan, Batman, you eat pan, Sodomite. I don't live no bumbo clot life. Oh, they say Batman and Sodomite not live no life, but you not live no life neither. What life you want to live? You straight but you not broke. Eh? It no matter which game you did play, it still a go bumbo club broke on the heart not clean. That's why. The time when they there focus on people business, but when they eat Saddam on the pocket stay. When they eat Batman on the pocket stay. On eat LGBT, batty this, batty that, batty this, batty every day. On the children eat. On a rent pay. On a set for life. On a good and a problem in our house. Batty man and Sodomite really want to phone a blood clot problem them. Have so many on a blood clot have. No for we not live better than blood clot dog, but we eat batty man and Sodomite when I doing nothing. Look at life here. Some people will willfully fuck them one another in them batty hole. Nobody not rape nobody. On the vex about that. For what? There's not a time in my life when I ever vex about something where another human. Okay, you nah blood clot fuck me in my batty hole. Why hurt? For you not fuck me in my pitney them, I not have no time for you. For what? Me have money for go put in my pocket. Me have my bills them for pay. Why blood clot eat them right now? I not no time for that. All our broke right now. The time when you eat a Saddam, how much you have in your pocket? You rent them pay, everything for your good, you carry note, everything good. No, but another time there, you know, man. Because now coming to the place now where we have rights now. And me are one of them who glad for lock up because I got to do too much. Especially online. So when I soon in a real life and a foreign, I lock up. I just want to know so I eat, I want to hear and do and get anything. As long as I just video and have that pound. Depends on where you own, where you have. I sue your blood clot to and win. I sue your blood clot and win. More just know so you have even a little bit of money. Sue your blood clot win. Defamation. Don't play with me. You understand? Go look for your, go look betterment for your pitney them man. Go look betterment for your family them where you hate me for. You never see me a day of your life up on your sir. The time when you have blood clot eat me, you go feed your children. You understand me? Don't play with me. You don't need to eat me because I never fuck on your bed yet. I never borrow your hole yet. Never. I never name for your pussy. Why vex? You don't need to vex with me. If I don't name your hole, why you vex with me? I hold it down and I eat your pussy. No, at them the time they have to vex. You see me that hold down, you like a daughter, you like a 2-year-old, or you like a 3-year-old if you come kill me. If I am not forcing myself by you or I force myself on somebody for you, why hate me? Why you not gonna look at job and go make sure say all of your bills them pay? All of my bills them pay, but them a come again, so me have another stress again. How about you? Hungry people catch pan people floor, me see I go on them way here. Me not catch pan no floor, me have to pay my own bills them, so guess what now? Me not have time for business over, but will I get dig out, everybody live for them life for them war. But the rascal, the Muslim, they don't like the Christian, them and the Christian, they don't like the Jews, them, so who the fuck is me? I want to tell the time when you have focus. You focus wrong. Because right now, you have one bracelet on your foot in a footer. But every day you get up on your body man this a boy, I can't believe that. Body man for you in our country where them have rights. You are fighting to stay in our country where body man have rights. Where you can't say what you say to a body man because you go to jail. Why fight for stay there? One is a fucking joke. One Jamaicans is a set of joke. Like, why fight for come foreign? We don't need for one a visa. We don't need for lock down the embassy of Jamaica. Batman have rights of foreign. Why don't want to come up here so far? It's crazy. We can't be on a real self up here, so why come? We can't kill Batman, we can't blood clot. All I want to talk about it on the song, them, we can't do none of that. Yes, so why not look for visa for? Why you not put in application for? Why you not want to put in an application for come to one place where Batman have rights? Remember, say 2 men can married up here, you know? So you not put in application for? You know if you burn out this a country more than anywhere. You know if you burn out this a country more than any fucking way. But it don't want to come the most. I don't hear none of fight for go to England like I want to fight for come to America. England have gay rights, Canada have gay rights, I want to fight for go every one of them. Why? You don't have perfect peace down there. You don't have order down there. You don't have things phone away down there. Why want to run away from peace and sanity? Down there so we have all of the right and the regulation them. Why you don't want to run left it? You don't make no sense. I down there say all of the right there, you know. All of the country them want to fight for run go. The whole of them have gay rights. So why you not run from phone one with a gay rights? You don't make no sense. You don't make a fucking sense to me. Because I would never want to go blood clot America if I want heterosexual. For what?
Me want heterosexual and me not like Batman and Saddamite with the blood clot. And them a march up and dunk on blood clot road. Batman suck out them tongue in front of you anyway, upon train station, upon anyway. Why would I want to come to one country like that? Why would I stand up in the sun? At Jamaica, why me as footer hype would I have one bomb? Me as footer hype would eat Batman and Saddamite, so why me would I want to have a bracelet for stay in our country where love but we give Batman their rights? More than got me bomb clot yard. More than got me pussy clot yard long time. Me no want there nowhere like that, man. But when you go look up a embassy, up a embassy have the gay flag. When you go up there, you see an America flag and you see the LGBT bomb-clad flag. What the bomb-clad not go in there go do? What not go in there go do? Why America have two flags on them fucking embassy? I would not tell them, I tell you nothing, Jamaica. Them I tell you nothing, you know. When you go to the embassy, you don't see two flag now. Why you don't see two flag now? And Jamaica flag down out there. Why when you go to the embassy, you don't see two flag up there? One rainbow one. I want to see the America flag flowing. I mind their own fucking business. Why that out there? Why the fuck you even go in there and see them support that? You see America support that flag there. Why the fuck you not go in there go beg? You not coming like dog. All of you coming like dog. Just one amount of that. You not go in there go beg and tell you much in life visa. If you come to one country with support bomb clot Batman. When you go a blood clot the embassy, you see the LGBT flag up there on all blood clot hypocrite, you know. You know all blood clot hypocrite and you realize why enough of them not get the opportunity to come a foreign. Because the people don't want to know bomb clot energy, boy. You don't keep on a pussy hole idiot energy. You don't keep on a dunce mentality. You know facts, you don't make people live their life and be and go about them business. You don't stay down there with blood clot. That with the chicken back worth $200 a pound now. You don't stay down there with that. You don't want betterment for yourself, where? Which part you know want betterment for yourself? You don't love bomb clot people. From people now fucking in your body will loud that. That's why you not get no opportunity out. You hear that? You see right now, you don't stay down island of wood and water. I don't found you down there broke and bomb clot hungry and eat Batman. So stay down there with it. Here what me I tell you say, you see until the day when you want to realize people if live where they want to live and do what they want to do. You know we get a little visa if you come boy. You hear me? Because it's a blood clot shocker to me when me hear all my immigration lawyer know about Uno. The woman do a whole blood clot tutorial about Uno. 2 countries. I only eat Batman and Saddamite the most. That's why I only get the least opportunity. Watch out. It used to be Ireland and Ireland lose for them people, but you know still hold it and a burn and a kill and a cut Batman throat. And she tell me this with her own mouth. A straight A she get my friend. A plus on her bumbucklad paper. One time she do the LGBT law. And why America don't blood clot like you know. And one of the reasons why that America don't blood clot like me not say one of the bumbucklad make one of people and fuck Batty my friend. But just because America knows so don't make people live them life. You always go kill somebody if them don't want to. If a girl don't want to fuck a man, you're not going to kill that. And if a boy don't want to fuck a woman, you're not going to kill that. That's the reason why you're not down there. Someone who talk about me got embassy 15 times already. You know go up to 32. You hear me I tell you now? Some of the bumbucklad time they want to down there and I contact, on a ray, on a tear. Me glad you don't eat me, but you no can't come eat me, you're so pussy hole. No. As on a blood clot talk, me call 911. What's your emergency? I'm scared. He's Jamaican and I'm gay and he was chasing my... Listen, bitch. I will sink you. Your nationality alone. The 911 operator, they believe me. Gay bashing. Wanna kill me. You think that they're not gonna believe you? A prison you're gone for what? Because you're not like to see people business and leave it alone. Duh. So what y'all gonna do? So y'all gonna see me and puff up? What y'all gonna puff up for? When I can call 911? I can call 911 on your ass, bruh. What y'all gonna do? When I call Bumbuckler at 911, he's Jamaican or she's Jamaican and she's being really angry with me because I'm gay, wanting to kill me, hit me. I'll cry because I don't want to allow people life alone. Look how they make on a life reach though. So when on the left hand down there and come up here with your dot on a blood clot it and get deep and go right back down there. And right back down there and I go get A+ for human blood clot work. You know, give on yourself a clap. The most homophobic in the world will love beg visa and I go suck out to the mother but to the war visa for go away. Figure away. Oh, I see Batman a blood clot kiss in front of her. Oh, down the left from Jamaica, down the land of wood and water where Batman can't do that. And come up here so can see Batman a kiss in front of you. And that you really want to take up yourself, go beg visa if you can do, come watch, if you can see Batman willfully a drive around, Batman look like girl, Batty big and a suck out tongue in front of you. You want to come see that? You must know. Yes, my girl.